Hi, I'm Philip. I'm a big fan of the Tello Drone. I would like to tell you something about the Tello Drone. And I also would like to show you what the Tello Drone can do. Let's dive into it. The Tello Drone can take 5 megapixel pictures and shoot video in 720 HD quality, and has a range of 100 meters and fly 10 meters up in the air. Battery capacity has a 13 minutes flight time. My final opinion is that the battery lacks longevity, as it's only capable of staying 13 minutes in the air. On the positive side, the Tello Drone is easy to use. It's small in size and you can take it everywhere with you and use it indoors. Thank you for watching.